My name is Andrew Chung, and I engineer equity. So anytime we try to make something better, we have to realize that there are consequences, hopefully for the good, but change doesn't always impact everyone the same. Engineering equity to me in healthcare means that we're not just improving outcomes for people's lives, but also reducing disparities that exist in our society. In my research, which looks at breast cancer screenings, older women who are more at risk for COVID were coming back for follow-up screenings far less than younger women, whereas before COVID, those trends had been reversed. So being able to actually identify points like these can help practitioners and health systems to identify and actually reach out to these women and make sure that they get the care they need in a creative and engaging way. Bringing in the values like equity is key to ensuring that our improvements actually benefit our entire society and not just those at the top.